Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating a budget spreadsheet might sound intimidating, but it's actually one of the best ways to take control of your finances in 2026. I'm going to walk you through this step by step so you can build something that actually works for your life. Step 1. Start by opening a spreadsheet application like Google Sheets or Excel, then create column headers for your categories. You'll want columns for date, description, category, and amount. This foundation makes everything else way easier to organize. Step 2. List all your income sources at the top of your spreadsheet. Include your salary, side gigs, freelance work, or any other money coming in each month. Be realistic about what you actually earn, not what you hope to earn. Step 3. Now add all your fixed expenses like rent, insurance, and loan payments. These are the bills that stay the same every month, so they're predictable and easier to plan around. Step 4. Include variable expenses such as groceries, gas, and entertainment. These fluctuate month to month, so track them carefully to see where your money actually goes. Step 5. Set up formulas to automatically calculate your totals and remaining balance at the bottom. This takes the guesswork out of your math and shows you exactly how much you have left over each month. Building a budget spreadsheet puts you in the driver's seat of your finances.